Make and sell Izal Germicide for profit right from home. Yes, at that your small space, you can start even today and double your capital today. Because Izal is a lucrative business and fast-selling product widely used everywhere. It's commonly used in the hospitals, hotels, homes, offices, shops, markets. It's merely for cleaning of floors, toilets, bedroom, kitchen, and tiles. Izal is widely known for its amazing cleaning and disinfecting properties. It also helps to destroy bacteria and germs that can cause infection and illness to man and animal. It works effectively on different surfaces. Do you want to learn how to make Izal for business? How to make profits on selling Izal? Watch this video to the end. Get your paper, get your pen, jot down the measurements and the important tips as you watch this tutorial video to the end. I know at the end of this video, you will start making big profits in selling Izal products. Now, let's moving on to the production properly. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share. The first thing you get is your mixing bowl, your turning stick or spatulas. Then the first product that goes into our mixing bowl is tesapon. Tesapon in Izal production acting as a surfactant to help dissolve and mix other ingredients. I'll be using 125 grams of tesapon. The next ingredient is pine oil. Pine oil in the production is a primary disinfectant and antiseptic agent, contributing to the product's ability to kill bacteria and other microorganisms, as well as providing a pleasant pine-like scent. Add your pine oil to your tesapon and stir very well. Pine oil will help us to dissolve tesapon. And pine oil also will be using 125 ml. And the next is Lysol. Lysol is a disinfectant and antimicrobial agent, helping to kill bacteria and other harmful microorganisms. And Lysol will be using 250 ml. Add Lysol and stir very well. The next I'm adding is phenol. Phenol is a key ingredient in Izal. It's known for its ability to kill the growth of microorganisms, including fungi, bacteria, and viruses. As I added my phenol, I make sure I stir it together very well. Stir the mixture together in order to have a perfect blend. Moving on. The next I'm adding is carbolic acid. Carbolic acid also helps in killing bacteria and fungi and germs that causes infection. And I will be adding carbolic 125 ml. As I added it, I make sure I stir it together very, very well before adding the next chemicals. At this point, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And the next I'm adding is Izal Booster. Izal Booster, I'm adding almost 350 ml. 350 to 400 mils of Izal boosters. Izal booster is known as a germicide and disinfectant. It helps to stabilize the mixture, preventing degradation of the active ingredients. It also enhances the scent or better compatibility with other ingredients. After adding the Izal booster, you need to stir it for like 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you stir it together very well for a perfect blend together of all the ingredients. Please don't skip the stirring. Stir it before adding the next chemical. And the next ingredient I'm adding is Izal concentrate. Izal concentrate acts as an emulsifier to keep the chemicals mixture stable and also contribute to the smells of Izal. Izal concentrate prevents separation. And Izal concentrate, I add 250 mils. As I added it and I stir it together very well. This mixture will give you 8 to 10 liters of Izal. This is where the business of how to make profit on Izal lies. Mixing all these ingredients together, it will give you good Izal of 8 to 10 liters. And I will be using it to make 10 liters of Izal. That is why from the beginning I asked you to take your paper and your pen to jot down every point for better understanding. Stir the Izal concentrate with all the ingredients. Stir it. You can see the perfect blend of the mixture. Here is my 8 liters of clean water in a bowl that can contain more than 8 liters. My turning stick. And I added all the ingredients into the 10 liters of water, of clean water. Make sure you always use clean water for your production. As I added all the ingredients and I stir it together very, very well. I stir it together very, very well. Then the next I'm adding is my Izal thickener. Izal thickener or whitener, I added 400 mils. 400 mils of Izal thickener. I added it and I stir it together very well. Make sure you stir this even more than 5 minutes. You can stir it up to 10 minutes. Stir until you see that all the whitener dissolved into the mixture. Stir it very, very well. You can stir it and relax. Because for all the thickener to dissolve in the water, it will take time. So make sure you follow it gently, stir it gently, and stir it very well. With all these 9 ingredients, including water, using for this Izal production, you can agree with me that we have very effective Izal that will kill germs and work perfectly on any surface. Don't forget, you need to stir it very, very well. Stir it together for the mixture to blend together. After stirring it, you will cover it for some hours before you will come back to open it and package it as you desire. Now, after allow it to settle down for some hours, here is the outcome of the Izal. You can see it neat and it's very thick. Now you can get any containers of your choice. You can use 200 ml, 100 ml, 500 ml, 1 liters, 5 liters, 20 liters, 25 liters. It all depends on your customers. And if I should go by my calculation, with all the ingredients that I use in producing these 10 liters, I spent, let's say, 6,000 naira, 5 to 6,000 naira Nigerian money. Though I do buy in large quantity, the ingredients. So you can buy in large quantity so that it will give you double gain. At the end of the day, I got 10 liters out of just 6,000 naira ingredients. And I normally sell my 5 liters 8,000 naira. Sometimes, if I'm lucky, I will sell it 10,000 naira. Let's say 8,000 naira. And 5 liters into 2, 8,000 naira plus 8,000 Nigerian money, that is 16,000 naira. Deduct your cost of production and the rest of it. You have already doubled your capital. That is, even the gain is more than your capital. This is a lucrative business that you can venture into today. And if you need more explanation on how to start Izal business, please DM me because I don't want this video to be longer than this. DM me, you can chat me up on my WhatsApp and I promise to put you through. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that it will notify you when I drop another great tutorial. Like, comment, and share. And for my return subscriber, thanks for always watching my videos. And see you in the next tutorial. Bye.